Here's another problem asking us to factor out the GCF. GCF is greatest common factor. When I look at this, I have three terms, and I'm going to divide out what I can that goes into all three terms. So first, let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the coefficients in front. 13, 7, and 6. Do you know anything that divides evenly into 13, 7, and 6? No. I don't either. So there's no number that we can factor out of here. Now, when you look at the variable parts, let's see if there's any variables that we can factor out. I have 4 p's, I have 3 p's, and I have 2 p's. Well, I can certainly take 1 p out of all three of these terms. Can I take 2 p's out of every term? Yes. Can I take 3 p's out of every term? No, I can't, because this one here only has 2. So I'm going to take out 2 p's. That is my greatest common factor. My p squared goes on the outside. And then on the inside, I have to write what's left over. So from the first term, after I divide out a p squared, what am I left with? 13 p squared minus my second term, after I divide out a p squared, what am I left with? 7p, right? Take out 2 p's, you're left with 1. And then my last term, after I take out a p squared, what will I be left with? I'll be left with plus 6. And that's it. This is your answer. We have factored out the GCF. If you want to check it, you could distribute. When you distribute, you should get what you started with.